Everybody, welcome back to Florida Lanai Curtains, Privacy on Demand. Merrill here as usual, and today we are up in the kind of the Rockledge area, Melbourne, Brevard County area, doing some of our outdoor privacy curtains here in one of the golf communities up here. I think of like a Vieira golf community. But picture this: you come out, it's a beautiful day. You decide you want to take a swim, lay out, work on your tan. You and the wife, maybe the kids, and then you have to, of course, deal with this. You've got all the golf carts driving by, and then everybody able to look into your pool. You got a hole right outside of your enclosure. You bought the house because you love the view, but look at the crowds as they gather outside your pool area. The view of the golf course is beautiful. They're always well maintained. They look nice. But the problem you have is not a lot of privacy when you want it, because you have no control over when people decide to play golf, how many people are rolling by. But, you got the maintenance guys cruising around back here. So that really kind of can put a damper on your time in the pool when you have no privacy. And but you can see we are installing the remedy for just that purpose, to solve just that problem. So we're putting up our curtain system, and you can see now we're beginning to get some privacy from the golfers coming by. As we're stringing on the curtains and they're moving across, see, we're going to get some privacy in this pool enclosure area. So they're still going to be able to enjoy the view of the pool area or of the golf course whenever they want. They can sit out here, they can wave to people if they want, but those times when they just want to hang out in their pool with some privacy, they're going to be able to close these curtains up, zip them together, buckle them down, and create an entire new room, a private room onto the back of their house, a private pool area that they can relax and enjoy without having to worry about people passing by, watching, looking, staring, that kind of thing. So just gives you some security, some peace of mind, because you don't always know who your neighbors are. Most people are typically good, but you don't always know who your neighbors are. So there we go. We're beginning to get the privacy here. So, but again, gives you that peace of mind, security, just lets you just relax and enjoy your outdoor space and privacy. So if you're looking for privacy or shade in your outdoor space, specifically in your outdoor screen enclosure or pool area, give us a call at 321-220-9444, and we would love to help you create some privacy or shade in your outdoor space, particularly if you're living on a busy golf course with people constantly passing by. Look forward to hearing from you and helping you solve your privacy and shade issues. Have a wonderful day.